What do you think you're doing?
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see the wire and I tripped.
Give it back to me. You ruined my whole setup. You did this on purpose, right?
I'm sorry. I was just trying to fix it. And why would I do this on purpose?
Oh my gosh. You just wanted my attention, didn't you, creep?
No, I didn't. And why didn't you use the other power socket? This is literally the way where everyone is walking. Anyone could have tripped on it.
Just go. I don't want to see your face anymore. I won't forget this easily. If you mess with me, I will destroy your life. Hey guys, it's me, Nikki. In my channel, we're not only exercising, we're changing lives. Today, I'm gonna show you how to work on your legs and glutes. So, the best thing you can do to your legs is... You just touched my butt. How dare you?
Sorry, what did you say?
How dare you touch my butt?
I didn't.
You don't even care about being recorded on camera? That is so disgusting. Guys, this man just touched me while I was walking past him. It's so sad that women can't even exercise without being harassed. Our gym's still safe for girls. Look at this creep touching my butt. Now, post. This were better than any other content I've ever shared. I have to do it again.
Hey, Nikki, right? I saw your TikTok. And I just wanted to say that I also got harassed in a gym a few years ago. And it means a lot to me that you're speaking up about this.
Wait, are you Amanda? Gym with M? From TikTok?
Yeah, that's me.
Wow, I've always wanted to be like you. You were the main reason I've started my account.
Well, I'm happy to hear that. But you know, about that guy, maybe I can help you with him. I've gone through the same thing. Have you ever seen that guy before?
No, I don't think so.
Did you tell the management?
Yeah. Oh, no, not yet, actually. I'm afraid they'll tell me it's my fault, you know.
I know how you feel. Trust me, I felt the same way. But we need to gather as much evidence as possible. We can meet tomorrow, and I'll keep an eye on him. If he does anything, I'll be your witness.
I don't think that's necessary. Maybe he just wanted to do it one time.
No. Look, I know how difficult it is to bring yourself up to report such incident. But even one time, harassment is harassment. I'll be with you, and I'm sure that together we can make a change.
Sure. Thanks.
So, I'll see you tomorrow.
Wait, can we take a selfie together?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. See you.
Bye.
I cannot let her see that the guy didn't harass me. I know. Hey guys, I'm Nikki. In my channel, we're not only exercising, we're changing lives. Today I'm gonna show you my favorite sportswear. So, this is a sports bra I recently got from... Get out, you creep!
I think you are in
Why did you follow me into the changing room?
I didn't.
Why are you still here? Get out, you pervert! Guys, I don't think I'll ever be able to feel safe here anymore. I think that's gonna be my last live video from here. Because it makes me so uncomfortable working out next to such creeps. I also wanted to thank you for all your supporting messages. I can't even imagine how many similar stories you shared with me. I promise you, I will do everything to make our voices heard. Love you guys. I can't believe how many more followers this is gonna get me.
Scumbag! I bet you don't even come to the gym to work out. You just want to harass women.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
No idea. You'll pretend that you didn't touch my friend's butt? That you didn't walk into the women's changing room just to see her naked? Hey!
What?
I saw your video. It's terrible. Did you say anything about the piece of crap to the management or the police?
No, I don't think they'd take me seriously.
You have all the proof.
Yeah, but
Come on, we'll make this work. We will get you banned from this gym. Hey, I think he saw your video and is coming to kick that creep out. Give me your phone. We're gonna go live with this moment.
I don't think that's...
Miss, we need to talk.
Yeah? Did you see my video on TikTok?
I did.
So, are you gonna ban that guy from gym?
No.
What? Why? He sexually harassed her.
No, he didn't. He wasn't the one abusing Nikki.
What do you mean?
Nikki was abusing him.
I don't understand what you're...
I saw the camera footage from the corridor. You put fake signs on the changing rooms. You framed our gym member.
Must be a misunderstanding.
I doubt it. And since your videos have caused quite a lot of damage to our gym member and our gym's reputation, I decided to share that camera footage on our TikTok channel to clarify the situation.
I trusted you. I thought you were speaking for all the sexually assaulted victims. You were lying to all of us this whole time. You know, because of liars like you, people stop believing the real victims. Don't deserve to be an influencer.
Influencer. I hope no one was watching this. I really hope no one was watching this. 4,000? I lost more than 100,000 followers? You ruined my career!
You did it yourself, miss.
No, that's not fair.
I will ask you to leave this building. Please.
Don't touch me.
Hey. You know, after I was assaulted, I was always afraid of men. But now I can see that it's not always men who do it. I'm sorry you had to experience all of this, and about what I said earlier.
No worries. And I would have probably said the same thing to someone who had assaulted my friend.
Thanks. These situations are never easy.
Yeah, that was definitely not how I imagined my first days at the new gym.